Hey, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you my 1997 Kawasaki ZX9R. If you watch my videos, you know that I am a huge Kawasaki fan. Kawasaki is a great company. I'm very proud to be a Kawasaki dealer, and I love Kawasaki. So I've over the years I've collected a few vintage Kawasaki's, and this is one of the bikes that I've collected. Now I don't go out looking for bikes to collect. I didn't start out trying to build a collection. But over the years, bikes have just kind of come my way, and when I get a nice one, I'll usually hang on to them. And I haven't sold one yet, so who knows, maybe someday I will. But I got this one about 1.5 years ago. One of my customers who was here buying a mule from me mentioned to me that he had this old ZX9 that had been sitting in his garage for many years, and he was wondering if I knew anybody that might be interested in it. I said, well, I might be. So he sent me some pictures of it, and I could tell from the pictures that it was pretty much all stock, meaning it had the rear fender on it, had the stock exhaust, had the original stock windshield with the Kawasaki logo on it, stock mirrors, even the stock turn signals. And these are all things that I immediately look for, because honestly, if I'd have had this bike when it was new, I'd have cut the rear fender off, I'd have probably changed the exhaust, I'd have probably put a red windshield on it, I'd have probably put some flush mount turn signals on it, and I would have probably have done all those things that now I hate to see modified when I'm looking for a bike to collect. Well, I like them to be as original as possible, as much like they came off the showroom floor. And this bike is largely original. The tires have been replaced and that kind of thing, but it should have a little reflector right here that's missing. I'm going to see if I can source those and put them on. This bike is in pretty nice condition. There is like a little bit of corrosion here on these footstays, a little bit of staining here on the frame, but the paint is quite nice, the exhaust is quite nice, the seats, there's no tears. I did have to replace the gas tank. I got lucky and found a very nice gas tank on eBay at a really fair price, which was nice too. We put new tires on this one. We went through the carburetors on it, new chain and sprockets. We wound up doing fork seals. We flushed the brake system, new brake pads, air filter, really everything changed. The oil filter, of course. Had to put a battery in it. This bike's real low miles, only about 5,600 miles, 5,602 miles currently. So there's your speedometer, tachometer, and then temperature and fuel gauge there. Pretty interesting. A lot of you remember when we had these fairing stays to hold the top of the fairing. Another interesting thing that they don't do anymore is these bikes had like an exterior alternator. So this is the alternator. Used to, we had the stator inside the engine case, and now we have that again. But for a little while, the industry, a lot of the bikes on the market were doing this exterior alternator. And anyway, they don't do that anymore, largely probably because of weight. Inverted front forks, 6 piston calipers on the front, aluminum swing arm, 2-piece seat, grab handles there on the back. But yeah, anyway, I was pleased to get this one. I've ridden this bike probably 400 or 500 miles maybe since I got it. Had a pretty nice time. I like to ride this one. It's pretty fun to ride. It's pretty good. Idle's good. Starts easily. But yeah, anyway, that's a look at my 97 ZX9R. If you had one of these, maybe you have a special memory about them. These were Ram Air also. So Ram Air. This bike's not particularly valuable. It's not a typically first years of productions, like a first year ZX9R, or maybe even a last year or something, some significant price increase. I think with Kawasaki sport bikes, I think lime green is probably the most collectible color. It's not green, it's not a first year. It's kind of middle of the production. Not other than the condition and its age, its condition for its age, not particularly valuable. I don't think this probably would have a retail value if I was trying to sell it, and I'm not trying to sell it. Please don't call me, ask me if I'll sell it. but probably would have a value somewhere between $4,000 and $5,000 today. I'm guessing, maybe more, maybe less, but I think somewhere in there it would be right on the money. But anyway, thanks for letting me share my 97 ZX9R with you. Once again, we are Mainland Cycle Center. We're located in Marque, Texas. We're about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45. You can find us online at mainlandcyclecenter.com or by phone at 409-948-4969, and we would just love it if you'd give us a call, shoot us an email, or even better, come on down to Mainland Cycle Center, where we'd love to help any way that we can. Hey, thanks for watching.